Welcome to our exploration of organizing as a crucial management task. We'll delve into how organizing involves delegating and coordinating tasks to achieve organizational goals, ensuring efficient work distribution and effective resource utilization for maximum productivity. Organizing begins with a detailed work analysis and resource allocation. It involves breaking down the total workload into manageable activities, which can be assigned to individuals or groups for efficient task performance. Efficient resource utilization is a key aspect of organizing. By deploying resources productively, organizations can ensure that tasks are completed effectively, promoting overall productivity and goal achievement. Task grouping is another important strategy in organizing. By logically grouping related activities into specialized departments, organizations can leverage focused expertise and enhance coordination across different functions. In conclusion, organizing is essential for maximizing efficiency and productivity. By developing a coordinated organizational structure, businesses can operate as cohesive units, ensuring uniformity and harmony in achieving their objectives. Thank you for joining us in this discussion.